Hello everyone, I am Miss Ujjwala Sampath Tambe, currently working as an assistant professor in MVP's KBT CUV Nasik. Today we are going to learn about mathematical induction. It is a mathematic technique which is used to prove a statement, a formula or a theorem is true for every natural number. There are two steps. So first step is called as a base step or basis step. It proves that a statement is true for the initial value where initial value is equals to 1. Then second step is called as the inductive step or induction step. It proves that statement is true for the nth iteration, then it is also true for n plus 1th iteration. Okay, so in base step we are going to put n is equals to 1, and in induction step we are going to put first n equals to k, assume it is true for n is equals to k, and then again assume it is true for n is equals to k plus 1. For example, suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is equals to n plus 1 upon 2. So, with the help of mathematical induction, we have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. So, first step is a base step where we have to put n is equals to 1. So, n is equals to 1 is equals to 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So, this is 1 is equals to 1 plus 1, 2 into 2, 2 divided by 2. So, this is 1 is equals to 1, hence it's proved for n is equals to 1. Then our second step is called as the induction step or inductive step. In that, assume it is true for n is equals to k. So, put this value into equation, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, instead of n we are going to put k is equals to, again put n is equals to k. So, k plus 1 upon 2. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Then assume it is true for n is equals to k plus 1. So, we have to add one extra term, that is k plus 1 into our main equation, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. So, instead of n we are going to put here k plus our k plus 1 term, that is k plus 1, okay, is equals to, again instead of n we have to put k plus 1, again instead of n we have to put k plus 1, and this one remaining one keep it as it is, divided by 2. As we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is equals to k plus 1 by 2 as per the equation 1. So, put this equation value into this one. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is equals to k plus 1 by 2. K plus 1 by 2 plus this remaining term, that is k plus 1 is equals to k plus 1, and this become k plus 2 divided by 2. Now, here the denominator for every term is 2. So, multiply and divide by 2 for this term. Okay. So, by multiplying and divide by 2, we got k plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 into k plus 1 by 2 is equals to k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2. So, we can add this both these terms, that is k square plus k divided by 2 plus this one 2k plus 2 divided by 2 is equals to k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2. Okay. Perform multiplication of k by k plus 1 and 2k plus 1. So, this one become k square plus 2k plus 1k is 3k plus 2 divided by 2 is equals to, again perform multiplication operation, that is k square plus k into 2 2k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 1 2 divided by 2. So again k square plus 3k plus 2 upon 2 is equals to k square plus 2k plus k 3k plus 2 divided by 2. As denominator is same for both the terms, so no need to write it again. So our final step is k square plus 3k plus 2 is equals to k square plus 3k plus 2. So hence LHS is equals to RHS. So it is true for n is equals to 1, n is equals to k, and n is equals to k plus 1. Okay. So now we are going to solve another example based on the mathematical induction. So our second example is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to plus 2n minus 1 is equals to n square. Okay. So again our first step is basis step or base step, where put n is equals to 1, that is initial value. So by putting n is equals to 1, we got 2 into 1 minus 1 is equals to 1 square. So 2 into 2, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 square, that is 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1. Okay. Then second step is induction step. Okay, so assume it is true for n is equals to k. So instead of n we have to put value k. So equation become 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2k minus 1 is equals to k square. This is our equation 1. Again assume true for n is equals to k plus 1. So we have to add k plus 1 term into main equation. So the equation become 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2k minus 1 plus 2, n means k plus 1, and this minus 1 as it is equals to k plus 1 square. Okay. So as we know, the value for this equation is given in equation number 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2k minus 1 is equals to k square. So put that value as it is, k square plus, solve this equation, 2k plus 2 minus 1 is equals to k plus 1 square. Okay. So this become k square plus 2k plus 1 is equals to k plus 1 square. Okay. So as we know that a plus b square is equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay. So put this formula into this equation. So it become k square plus 2k plus 1 is equals to, in this case our a is k, so write down k square plus 2 into a means k and b means 1, so no need to write down the value 1, plus our b square is 1 square, that is 1. So hence prove that LHS is equals to RHS. So it is true for n is equals to 1, n is equals to k, and n is equals to k plus 1. So this is called as a mathematical induction. Hope you understood all the concept related to mathematical induction. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.